This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the power options so your Xbox One starts up quicker. Now to do this is very easy. We want to go up to where it says Settings right here. And then under General, we want to go to Power Options. Now, by default, it is set to shut down energy saving. We want to switch it over to where it says Sleep and make this active. Now it's going to use a little bit more power, but not too much more. It says Sleep, console sleeps instead of shutting down. Uses more power, supports waking the console remotely. So if you're going to be using remote play, you'll want to go ahead and have this turned on. Then you start up faster as well. So set this to active, and you can just test it out, see which one you want. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.